you can refill it. We will also need some butter for the filling too. But first, we need our sugar, some flour, egg, 2 cups. So we just do math roughly. But you take 2 cups. 1, 2 cups. You pour it all in because your hand's not dirty. You're supposed to use almond flour, but we don't have that, so we're just gonna use regular flour. Maybe regular, I don't know. I'm not sure, but this works. Flour. Now, after we got this, we're gonna blend it all. Smoothly. You're blending this to create like a mixture that can go through this, so it will be very fine. It's fine. So we're gonna take it all out. Okay, take this out. Yep. And now we open. Oh my god, it looks like steam. But it's not. Ooh. So we're supposed to get it through this. Okay, another bowl. And we need to separate the egg whites and the egg. We're gonna use this handy tool. We're gonna crack 3 eggs, I think. Yeah, 3. 1. And then you transfer it into your bunch of now you have to mix that right up. But also when you're doing it, you're gonna add sugar, a little sugar and a little sugar. I think we only need like a little, so. Now you just add a little more sugar on your way. A little and a little. After this, you could have add some cream of tartar if you want it to be thicker and better. The thicker the better, but right here we can't get it to be thicker, so we're just gonna add the sugar now. You're supposed to mix this by hand. So you're gonna add the rest in. Now mix by hand. Use well, and you can and it will drop down slowly, not instantly. Oh, it's been good. Oh, nice. Now during the part, see like this. I'm almost done. You have to make an egg without it breaking. Look, my guy can do it. But it needs to be like a little bit less stiff. And also it will slowly drop down, not all plop down, or very slow and can't move at all. They slowly drop down like this. At this stage, you're gonna want to add some a little bit of food coloring. If you want it to be any color, or do you want it just to be green, yeah, put some dye color here. This one I'm choosing little green. So take all the part of the spoon away now. Use a spatula, do the work. So, search up another video if you want to actually bake the cake. Now you mix it. Wow, look at that green. Look beautiful. If you want it to like have a little green spark everywhere, you can just not mix it well, or you can mix it well to have like a light flavor everywhere. Look. After I mix a little bit, now it's green. It's fully green. Look. It's even dropped down a little bit faster. That means it's actually good like this. You see, I can make an edge. Yeah, very well too. Just take one back. Good. We're gonna just take this. We're gonna put all our things inside. Go back. So we're just gonna use a normal bag. Gonna take the right out. Open it. Open it. We're supposed to put it in like a cup. Oh, it's actually easier. We can just use a plastic box. I'll take the spatula off because this part a little bit hard with the spatula, so we're just gonna pour it out. Oh, that's good. Look, we have our sauce now. Now we're gonna take our baking tray. We're gonna cut the baking tray now. To care about the shape that much because it's gonna rise up in the oven, if I remember. Doesn't look like chocolate. At least we got extra to do it better next time. Let's put this in. Here. Can you close the lid? Here's what the degrees you want to set on. Because on, you might not have. Fine. Yeah, so you go at 165 degrees. Cook time is from 14 to 16 minutes. I'm gonna do 16, 15. Oh. Okay, this is weird. What I think is edible. Okay, so we're gonna have to set this for an hour. Can you put your leg with my little? So we're gonna take our glove. Oh, cool. Let's see if it, so mushy. Oh, cool. So we're just gonna set it here for an hour. Let's just put it here. Turn it off. And just set it here for an hour. Why for a second attempt. So we're gonna do the filling now. We don't have anything to fill with, but that can still be filled. Somehow. No. So second egg. Thank you. Oh, this one's way better. Final egg. Oh no. Now that we have our egg whites, we're gonna put 1 cup of sugar. We're just gonna make it almost full because we don't want to make too much. Now we got 1 cup. We put it all in here. Okay. This recipe, you're gonna need your thing. It's then you whisk it all up. But first we need to cut our butter. We're gonna add 1 whole pack of butter in here. I know it's a lot, but it's a recipe and that's a lot filling, by the way. So where are we gonna put on the plate? We're gonna put it on a plate. So we're just gonna take one simple plate. This white plate here. But it is needed to do it for 3 to 10 minutes of mixing this up. And then we're just gonna add a little butter time with them. Okay. Your butter. So now use your hands anymore in packing the food. We're gonna do this from 3 to 5 minutes. Just stir it at maximum speed. What time is it? It's 3. So now we're gonna add a piece of butter. My mom said that this smells kind of good, even though. So you just take the spatula and clean it, and then just push it all down with the other spatula. Do the same thing as like the bread, but this makes much thicker. That means much better. Hold. This makes much easier because it's harder. You can just use a spatula, put some in, deep. No, you don't push all down. Squeeze all out the air, so it's easier. So we're going to try to take off one of the cookies in the same batch. Actually, it can sound sneaky a lot. Only that's all because that's very destroyed. Because I touched it with a glove also. It also destroyed it. And it didn't work. How about spatula? Okay. The spatula somehow what? Try this. Take some of our rest of the filling that we didn't take. Good work. Look better than last time. Don't know it's fully cooked yet. Let's let it rest for a few hours or 2 because we're gonna go in somewhere and then come back and do the video. So we're just gonna put it out somehow. Let me feel. Somehow from green turn our skin color. Look what's going on. I even got the pencil line right. How? How does that? How about I separate these two?
Is it hot? Yes, it's very hot.
We have half stuff. You know, Musi like those macarons anymore. But here also our butter. It's frozen, solid, because we left it in the fridge. So we got our 2 halves that perfectly fit together. Little fit together. So do you think this is good? Introducing new crunchy macarons. The weird macarons. First, let's review from our crunchy macarons, and they are a little overcooked, or very overcooked. Here.
Can you break my teeth?
No, no. It's very crunchy. Eat up.
ASMR.
Chew. Okay. Now eat the middle with all the cream.
No.
Oh, the cream. The cream.
I ate the cream. What I think? This thing make good ASMR.
I think that this tastes like almond cake. You think so?
It tastes good. It's just crispier, and the butter, I still think it's salty.
How is it salty?
Oh.
How to make it good? Mom, bite once. You bite. Two bite.
But it's okay. It's delicious.